Cambridge Innovation Capital is a venture capital firm based in Cambridge, UK, focused on investing in early-stage deep tech and life science companies, developing really cutting-edge therapeutics, diagnostics, and devices.
We position ourselves as an anchor institution, and we want to be an entrepreneur's and innovator's first choice for funding. And so we will help them with the capital and the expertise and the infrastructure to help take their ideas and make them great successes. There's a lot of seed and early stage investment. And so if you have a great idea, then you're most likely able to get your first round done to create your company and to be able to start to get some science underway. Where the bottleneck is around growth funding. So what we really need to do is build that capability domestically here in the UK. And it's great that a British business bank are helping solve that. And we're working closely with them to see how we can play our part in that role as well.
So the co-investment programs at the bank have been super supportive in upsizing a lot of the financing rounds that we've been doing to give more firepower to those portfolio companies.
Deep tech and life sciences are very important for us because they are areas that the UK has shown that it's very, very strong in, and therefore it's important that we get more capital into those areas. We see it as being a really attractive area, both in terms of returns, but also impact on the economy here in the UK.
We've made 3 investments out of the fund so far that are at the sort of larger scale-up stage of our portfolio. Pragmatic Semiconductor, they've developed a very novel process for making computer chips. They are literally making billions and billions of chips, such as radio frequency identification or NFC tags, and selling them around the world in a wide range of products.
We develop and manufacture ultra-thin, flexible, cost-optimized, and ultra-low carbon footprint chips. So Cambridge Innovation Capital are a long-term investor, 8 years across successive rounds. A phenomenal support, not just from a capital standpoint, but also too in terms of all the insight and expertise they bring. We were very, very proud to announce our Series D fundraise at the end of 2023. 70% of the investment came from UK investors, which was really, really fulfilling. British Business Bank, a supporter of the company from our Series C round, also joined in that round. And so with those funds, we've been scaling our capacity. So we've ramped our first 300mm fab at our site in Pragmatic Park in Durham. We're now adding our second line. We'll be the largest UK semiconductor manufacturer by wafer volume by the end of the year.
Going forwards, obviously the bank's rolling out new programs, things like working with the pension funds to help them come into our ecosystem. That's something we're very supportive of and working with the bank quite closely on as well.
The science is truly world-class here. It really is a rapidly growing, exciting place to be working and be involved with. And being able to do this in a small, collaborative environment leads to really exciting things happening.